Oh my God, there's a software developer shortage. I guess we better bring in a third of a million foreign workers again this year. I've been in software engineering a long time and long enough to see it change in a really big way for the worse. My first real software job was doing C Sharp, and I didn't even know C Sharp. But guess what? I learned it in my off time, and I also got paid to experiment and learn it on the job. Software engineering used to be a research and development job. It'd be totally normal to learn some new technology at the job. But today, they just want you to show up on day one knowing everything for the job. There is no kind of on the job training, anything like that. It's all just a bad excuse to bring in more foreign workers, put downward pressure on how much you're getting paid, and to give you less leverage as a worker. That's another thing that's changed big time. It used to be like companies would fight to get you. Now it's like you're begging them to hire you. And even the attitude at work has changed because, the H-1B visa worker, they can't go work for another company. So if the boss tells them to lick their boot, they'll stick out their tongue. And as you know, I've got fired for not being an Indian woman before. I've worked with teams being the only person on a team of 15, being the only person born in America. And the other thing that's changed in the industry, if you used to know like .NET or C++, that was the main thing you had to learn. Now software is designed to all these little pieces, this JavaScript framework, this deployment engine, this little piece. I don't know whether it's just an excuse or the people hiring are really that stupid because they act like there's a shortage of software engineers when they're literally looking for a thumbprint. In my opinion, that thumbprint is usually designed for their cousin in Mumbai. You will notice that Trump didn't dare to touch the H-1B program. That's because those rich Republicans are the ones bringing over so many people. I've pointed out that all the people they brought into IT industry over the last years, decades, it actually amounts to 2% of the whole society. Now, what kind of job is that where they bring in a whole 2% more of the society just to replace you? And that's probably why they want to take away voting. Once they take away voting, they will open the floodgates and replace all American workers. You can see that they're planning to bring up to 1 million truck drivers so that they can ruin that industry too.